Oh, hey, what's up, y'all? Right now what I'm doing is a Russian twist. I'm gonna target my obliques, also a little bit of those hip flexors as I keep my knees up off the ground and my heels up off the ground as well too. How I get it set up is you can either have those legs crossed, which is a tiny bit easier than having those legs just side by side and knees together. So you're gonna go ahead and bring those heels off the ground, hands and fists. Try to keep the bottom of the palms together. So nice and reach and twist, twist. You notice how I'm looking down at my hands? That's gonna help ensure that I'm actually rotating those shoulders versus just swinging my arms across, looking forward. Don't wanna look like this. Wanna actually feel that twist. Trying to drop that elbow, almost like you're trying to elbow someone back behind you. That way you're getting the full twist of that torso. You could also make it a little bit harder by adding a little bit of weight, some medicine ball. Nice and controlled twist. Try to keep those knees together. The more you try to keep those knees together, the harder that exercise is going to be. So again, heels up, hands and fist, rotate, elbow back behind the body. Try to keep the bottom of the palms together. That's gonna help you make this exercise a tiny bit harder and help you get more ab out of this movement versus just swinging that torso and those arms.